Hello, this is a Lexus 2018 GX 460. We'll be going in through the passenger side and we'll be accessing the glove compartment. I've went ahead and emptied out the glove compartment, and there's a door right in the back with two clips. They're very simple to do with two hands, but I had one hand while doing this. Now there will be a second door that's right behind it with two different clips. One side popped out. The left side we got popped out. Now the second side. You will see debris on either side of the filter. For me, I got a lot of leaves. We have here a new one that we're going to be installing. Now you're going to see on the side, there's going to be a direction, the arrow pointing up, to show you how you correctly align the cabin air filter. It should go in just as smoothly. And now all we have to do is put back the two doors. Just making sure I securely lock that. Now that the white door has been closed, we're going to be closing the black door right after. And that's how you change the engine air filter.